G'day guys and welcome. It's Chili Cube from a Sunshine Coast in Australia, coming to you to do I'm doing an embellishment today of a shop bought piece of art that I bought for only $12. I bought this piece of art for $12 and I wasn't going to use the piece of art at all. I wanted it for the actual, it's a box frame or a, one of these, I think they call it a box frame. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. So I just thought, I could just do some embellishment on this, keeping it as it is, but that's too kind of plain for me, nice and supple for some. But I thought, what about jazzing it up? Well, I've just done a painting I daren't lift it up because it's still wet. It's got all the colours that I would like in this, and I'm thinking that I'm going to balloon that particular art. I'll try and lift it up, balloon it, and the balloon residue so this is the piece that I did. I'm going to balloon it, and I thought, well, off the balloon I could just do on top of these flower heads just to jazz it up. It may work, it may not. So originally this piece, this is Australian, was $30 and it came down to $12. So that's, really good. Like, I would never get the canvas and the frame for that kind of price. So I'm going to get cracking. And I'm going to, I just put my little piece of that down there. I've got my balloon ready. I'm going to use the dips from the balloon and embellish this one with the dips from my balloon. So you might not be able to see me doing both, but I'll show you when the paint is coming over, or it's gonna. Okay, so the normal thing, I'm going to dip in the wet paint of the previously painted dip it. Got some nice dippings, and I'm going to, let's pray that this turns out. Oh yes. Just adding them to what's already there, but look at those colours, goes so well with this. I haven't done anything to the canvas and it's pretty shiny, so this may not work brilliantly, but you know what, if not, I will just go over it with just a white or something if it doesn't turn out. But I thought, well, there's lovely embellishment colours for this particular piece, I thought. There you go, that is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So there you go. If you've got a piece of art hanging in your home right now that you don't particularly like anymore and you want to change it up, then what a great way to do it. Or the same like me, if you see a piece of art in a sale that's can be used, because look at this, already got this nice timber frame around it. Just waiting to use the right colours on this, and that was perfect. So I can add a few more in here. I mean, you can embellish it further, which I probably will do I will highlight the stems just by freehand. But it's just giving you another idea of embellishing something that you may have just sitting in your home that you're not particularly liking. So just go for it. It's the thing with me, I get too carried away with balloons and don't want to stop, but obviously on this the less is best. So I could even embellish the branches with my acrylic pens, or I can just freehand them. But I'd let the other bits dry before I do that. Might go back over some of these. But I just think that's a lovely way of stretching out the paint from when you do, or using the paint, should I say, when from a balloon kiss, and embellishing something else. So you sort of, you know, you've got two pieces of art on the go. Wow, I like it. I think that's better than it was. Once I start putting in a few of the stems, so and of course you can do some little teeny tiny flowers, probably best using your little teeny tiny balloon, which I usually do. Ooh. Can I have this? Actually, now I've got my eye on another one that I've got in one of my bedrooms that I don't particularly like, so I will wait and see how this one dries and then go from there. So just a quick easy little thing that I wanted to show you. Try and hold my other painting up, which the video will be up for this too. So I'll just continue to work more so now on the one that I have poured on, that I'm using the balloon dips from, but I looked at that and thought, oh, there you go, I can embellish it, work with it. So a very quick one. I hope you like it, hope it gives you some ideas to do for something you may have hanging on the wall right now at home. Please check with the rest of the family and that everyone's happy for you to do it. I don't want to cause any ructions in anyone's household. I'll put some more pictures up. If I do some more embellishing when it's dry, I'll continue rolling the camera, but I'll just leave that to dry off for the time being. Thanks for joining me. Thank you so much for subscribing. Just another quick idea for you. So get creative and enjoy your time at home, and yeah, self-isolate and create, I say. So bye for now, guys.